Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a box plot in Excel. So our final box plot should look like this, and I'll be using the age dataset. So let's get into today's video. Yes, and this is how we do it. So to plot a box plot in Excel, according to me, mostly what I prefer doing, I prefer first clicking on data and then go to data analysis. And then I go to descriptive statistics here, and then I say okay, and I highlight the data that I want to use. So I'm going to use the age data set, so I highlight the age up to down, and then I click. It labels in the first row. I want the output to be in this document, and I say I want it to be somewhere. Let it to be here or here. It's okay. And then I say summary statistics, and I say okay. And you can see we have the summary statistics here. So after you get your summary statistics, the next thing is to highlight all the data from age to down, and then you come here on home. On home, then click on insert, click here on insert statistic chart, and then we want a box plot, which is a box and whisker. So you click here, and with that we have our box plot. So let's lift it up. I want to show you something. Yes, so you can put it here. Let's say this to up to here. Let's set them down here. So with this box plot, we have various values. You can see this line, which is around 43. So this is the median, and you can see it's the median here. Then we have this x, which is the 39.76, which is our mean. The x here represents the mean. And then we have these values here, which is at 57, which is the maximum value, and here is the minimum value, which is 22. And then here on this line, which has 27.75, and we have another value here, is 49.25. So 49, you can come and check here what it represents. That's why I said the first thing I prefer doing is highlighting the field statistics, because a box plot provides the key statistics, the central tendency values. So after creating like that, you can click on it. Let's make it much presentable by adding axis title. So on this chart title, you can say distribution of age, distribution of age, and then we can click here, delete this one, we don't backspace. Also even this one, delete it, pressing backspace key. Here it's the age, and we also want it to be, I prefer making it font Times New Roman. Yes, and with that we have our box plot. And remember, you can also add the labels so that you can be able to see which values are which, like that. So from the box, the labels, you can be able to see which is which. Like we say, the first one is the maximum, the minimum is here, 27.75. You can also check here and see what it is. You can also find the median here, and the mean here, that 9.7. Yes, and that's how we basically do it. Yes. So according to this, you can see there's no outlier. When there is the data set has an outlier, you'll always find a dot that is far from the rest of the other values. For example, we have 22 as a minimum. So you can click here and make the minimum to be, let's say, 10. And also, I think that's not an outlier still. You can make it 1, so it becomes an outlier. Or add another different value, which is maybe far. Let's just undo it so that we want to have an outlier that is so big. Let's say 100. You can see we have the 100 as an outlier here. So the moment your data set has an outlier, it will always have a dot point. So the moment you see a dot point in your data set, it means that your data set has an outlier. Yes, so thank you for watching. See you for more and please subscribe. Thank you.